y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Federica, and today I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics the Nouveau Neutrals palette. I just recently got in the mail, and also their eye brush sets. So today I'm going to be doing swatches on that and also doing this makeup look with the palette. Enjoy the video. In the BH Cosmetics the Nouveau Neutrals palette. Ordered this palette, just wanted to try it out. So this is the box it came in. Some pretty neutral colors. They have shimmers, and they have mattes in here too. So this is how the palette looks. It's all white, and the lettering is like a rose gold. Nouveau Neutrals 26 color shadow and blush palette. So this is the inside of it. Pretty colors. They don't have like numbers or names. They just have matte, metallic, or soft shimmer, or whatever. So I'll be doing swatches on it so you can see how the colors look. I already did my makeup. I already have on my foundation, concealer, powder, and all that. I already did my brows. So I left out the eyes and the blush because I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics palette that I was doing the swatches on. So I'm going to do a look on that. Okay, so, and also I'll be using the brushes too that I got from them. 101 blending brush. Yes, it's their blending brush. So the crease color, I go with this color. I'm gonna start off with this color. Really soft and buttery. And it shows up pretty good as a crease color. And this is one of the matte colors. A nice blending brush. I like the brush, especially for the price. BH 104 brush, number 104, and that's their angled blending brush. So I'm gonna use that. So I'm gonna go with this color. And I'm just taking it just right under where I put the other color at. I'm just blending it. These are really pretty buttery colors, and the pigment is really good on them. The BH 103 brush, this deep brown, color. I'm kind of just blending that like on the outer corner. And then I'm going to blend it in the crease as well. I really like the pigment on this palette. I really like this. It looks really good, especially on the monitor. It shows really good. I'm liking the BH. This gold color. Place it on my lid. Ooh, that is so pretty. I love it. Metallics and shimmers, it seemed to apply better with the finger to me. Or you can wet your brush and apply it on there, and then it'll really be metallic. But this color is so pretty. I love it. As I try the color next to it. I love this color. 105 brush, which is the pencil brush, because I want to get in that corner over there. I'm gonna see how I pick up on the brush too. I may have to wet it. Oh no, I don't. Pretty. Go back with that crease color that's left on my BH blending brush, the 101 brush, and just kind of blend it again. I didn't add no more, I just kept the same as on there as on the brush. Just blending out good. I'm going to take that crease color that I use and go under the eye with that first, with the blending brush, the 101 blending brush. One of the things I like about this palette is there's really no fallout. This one. I'm going out with that. Okay, so the last color I'm using under eye is the deep brown color that I use. This one. And I'm using the BH 103 smudge brush. The blush that I'm gonna go with is, I think I'm gonna use this color right here. So I'm just gonna apply it to my cheeks. Ooh, not too much because it's pigmented. Very pigmented. Just kind of softening that up on my finger. So the highlighter that I'm gonna use today is it's one of my MAC pigments, and it's in the color Melon. So I'm gonna use that to highlight. So now I'm going to take my BH 106 brush. This is a really small, fine, it's called fine liner brush, but I'm going to use it to highlight my inner tear ducts. Aren't that pretty? I don't think I'm going to highlight my brow bone. I'm just going to keep it that way. So, I really like that palette. I really like it. The colors are pigmented and they feel buttery, and it's really pretty. I really like it, and the blush is really pretty too. So what I'm gonna do is apply my liner, and I'm going to use the Mac Pro Longwear liner in Blacktrack. So I'm going to use that. And the mascara I'm going to use is by Wonder Beauty, and it's their Lash Volume Curl Mascara. I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to apply my lashes and I'll be back. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I also want to add that off camera I added the lipstick, which is the MAC Retro Matte Lipstick in Ruby Woo. So this is the red lipstick I have on, Ruby Woo, but I have on gloss with it. It's a matte lipstick, but I have on gloss with it. And also I want to add, because I did it off camera, I want to add that the, let's see, the primer I used, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, and the foundation that I used is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Butter Pecan, and of course my Nars Radiant Cream Concealer in Caramel. That's what I use to, you know, under my eyes and all that. And the setting powder is my RCMA No Color Powder. And for the brows, I'm trying this Chella again. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. The Chella brows in the color taupe. So what I noticed about this, once you apply it, it's a little bit lighter, but the color darkens as times go by. So I'm really liking this. And the powder that I use is the Mac Mineralize Skin Finish. The powder I always use to warm up my face in medium deep and dark deepest. Also, please subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell next to it so you can receive notifications each time I upload a video. And like this video. Be blessed. Bye.